Real talk. Car blogs take time. Specific review, structure, images, formatting. You usually need hours, but with Autoblogging.ai, I created this full sedan comparison blog in under 3 minutes. And I did not write a single word myself and did not do no research. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a blog in under 3 minutes with AI. Once you log in, on your left panel, you're going to see different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generated. I'm going to go with wizard, so you don't have to remember anything and it will take you step by step. Article title, I'm going to type 2025 Sedan Showdown in-depth review of the best 5 models. Next, selecting English, but you have 30 languages here. So if your readers are in Germany, Japan or India, you can localize instantly. For the length, I'm going to keep medium because I want enough room to cover features, pricing, highlights for all 5 cars. But here's a quick tip. Short is great for quick specification model launches and long is for a deep dive reviews or SEO. Here I'm going to choose listicle since we are comparing multiple cars and it makes sense to break them into clear sections. But here's what other options do. Informative is best for educational or how-to blogs. Places focus on location specific topics like top 10 car dealers in a particular city. And a service bar landing page is built for landing page. For example, book a test drive now. For the tone, I'm going to pick second person so the blog directly talks to the reader. But you can also choose first person if you are writing like a personal review or an opinion, and third person for more formal and editorial tone. Here, I'm either going to pick professional because this blog should feel credible and brand safe, or auto so the AI will pick by itself. But here's what other styles do. Less AI words will sound more human-like and less robotic. Premium style 1 formats better for SEO tools, and a snippet optimizer optimizes the content to show up as a featured snippet on Google. Witty adds a slight of fun and bloggy voice, and conversational is more friendly. I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes because these are literally magic to the blog. Intense optimized article helps with keyword clarity and improves blog structure. FAQs will add real reader questions from Google. AI images will add images of car, models or interior shots with alt text, and infographics will add comparison tables. SERP analysis. Autoblogging checks what's ranking for this particular topic and picks their structure and key section and builds something similar for our blog. So you don't have to do no guesswork, just enable this, and in the source context box you can type how you need your article to be and also select the country where you want to rank first. Now outline from competition. Take this. It matches the content flow of high-performing blogs in auto niche. External link will add links to trusted sources like car and driver or manufacturer sites. YouTube video will add a relevant test drive or feature breakdowns video, and key takeaways will add a summary at the end of your blog. AI proofreading. Just enable this and leave a quick note here saying that make the tone expert but still friendly, or keep transition smooth. So it refines grammar, structure and flow without changing your topic. Internal linking. Now if you already have wrote blogs on SUVs or hybrids, just enable this and add your domain here. So Autoblogging will auto link this to sedan blog to your past articles. That's good for SEO and keeps people on your site for longer. Next, human proofreading. Now if you want a manual edit like a real human fact checking things, just turn this on and leave a note like verify sedan launches date, or review the tone, or keep it friendly, beginner friendly. So for this you will require a human credit and you can always purchase this inside your dashboard. Now generate article, click on the history tab and scroll down and click on the view like icon here. Blog is ready with FAQs, structures, and H1, H2 is added with targeted keywords, images with alt text and related links, and even YouTube video. Next time, if you want to skip wizard, then you can always go to quick and single. It's just as same as wizard but with fewer clicks, and you can also use the bulk generate mode where you can generate from 10 to 100 articles at one go, and it is great for car content calendars or a client work, and you can even auto post straight to WordPress. And that's how I built a full 5 model comparison blog in under 3 minutes without writing anything manually or designing or spending hours. Now, if you want to publish better car content faster, Autoblogging.ai is worth trying. And if you're busy closing deals or shooting reels, we also offer a done-for-you blog service where we handle your content. Drop your next topic in the comment and I'll show you how to build that one too.